Hi, welcome back to Juliana's Time, and today we're going to be making glittery, glamorous slime. But before we get started, like and subscribe and hit that bell button so when I post a new video, you will get notified. So first we add my orange glittery glue. Of course it's orange. So I'm just gonna open it. That was pretty easy anyways. So, just glitter. See that glitter? That's how glittery it is. Now I just need, I'm just gonna add like a lot. I don't really know. I'm just gonna add however. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's kind of hard to squeeze this bottle out. I'm gonna try it like this. It's like really hard. Oh, so I have a plan. Yeah. Okay, now. Oh! Too much farting here. Who farted? Who ate too many beans here? Was it you? Or was it? Okay, I'm not going to do that. Yep, that's a lot. Comment down below if you guys like glittery slime. Giant chunks. I think that might be enough now. What do you guys think? Comment down below how much glue do you think I need? How much more glue I need? Of the sparkly orange glue. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm just gonna stop mixing the glitter. Mix. It doesn't look like anything now, but soon it is. Soon it is. And then I'm just gonna keep the spoon in there because it's all dirty. Okay, that's enough mixing. Now I'm going to put some of these colorful gems. Do I just stuff it in from the back or what? I should just stuff it in from the back. Okay, yes. And this is what they look like. They're really small, so that's why I'm adding them in. There's not that many anyway, so yeah. Dump all of them. Yeah. There's one more. Oh, it's a purple. This one is not trying to stick. Now, activator or mix? Mix. Perfect. You guys see them in there? It's really cool. They're even on a spoon. Look at that. They don't want to be mixed.
Pause.
Hey, what are you doing?
I think I'm going to put some of these little rubber bands.
At least so colorful. That would kind of help it.
Colorful rubber bands.
At least they're colorful and pretty. At least they're kind of pretty. They're kind of colorful anyway. So yeah. At least they're colorful.
Unpause.
Okay, good. Wait. Look at these little no sticky hands in there.
Is there going to be some weird rubber bands in your slime?
At least it's like colorful, so this is what it looks like now for my ruined pot. At least there was no sticky hand inside of there. Good. Okay, so now I'm going to put some activator. Very slowly. I don't want to mess this pot up. Too much.
Pause. Unpause.
Okay, good. That's kind of almost all my activator, so now I just stop. God. I hate when I do that. Keep on stirring. It looks weird right now. Look at that. It looks like how my Karina Garcia one went, but it turned out really good. Turns out like putty. Looks like mashed potatoes, but orange. Okay, now let's look at it. It's kind of turning into it, but not really. I think the rubber bands, or rather, I added too much activator. Oh man. It's gonna take forever. 10 years later. And then I'm gonna be stirring the clothes. I think it's turning into slime now. I can see some of the beads. The blue rubber bands look really good in there because they're getting all glittery and shiny. Because I love shiny. And then here is the red jewel. You can see it right there. You can see like almost all of them.
Pause. I think it would be cool if we add some of these alphabet beads.
At least they're colorful too. Not too many, not too many, not too many. Oh no.
Unpause.
Okay, now it's gonna be crunchy. Okay, at least they weren't sharp. That's good. They're kind of sharp, but they don't hurt you or anything. And they're colorful, and you get to see the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and all that. So, some of them are the same, so. Beads are kind of making it better, so I don't know why I said no. But it's kind of making it crunchy, and hear that? That's what it sounds like, so it's cool. It's cool and crunchy now, so thanks.
It looks like slime now.
Yes, it does. Look.
Crunchy slime.
I know, it's not fully activated, but still, it looks cool. I just need to still mix it. I hope there's no more surprises. No more surprises. No more surprises. No more pausing.
Pause.
Oh, come on. What's this one? Shaving cream?
I'm gonna add shaving cream.
I was right. It's shaving cream. No, I wasn't gonna add that. I don't want to make fluffy slime today.
Unpause.
Now I need to mix. Oh, it kind of smells good. I'm joking. I think that's too much. I'm gonna mix a little bit more, then I'm gonna mix with my hands. Oh God, you should smell this right now. Doesn't smell good. It smells like Hello Neighbor. Ha 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 ha. Kinda does smell like Hello Neighbor. You never know what Hello Neighbor
How would you know
never
what it
takes.
smells like?
I don't know. Because Hello Neighbor never takes a shower. He only takes shaving cream showers. Just puts his body in the shower and puts shaving cream on him. Wash it off and it smells like that? I don't know. Okay, now I might start just mixing with my hands. I hope there's no sticky hand in here. Apparently, that's like the worst part. Oh God. Kind of stuck here. There we go. Oh God. Oh God. It feels so weird. But I think it kind of made it white, so what I do is just mix it up like a bololol. Once you start mixing it, it turns into real shaving cream fluffy slime. It's sticky a little bit. Get that? It's all over me. Okay, there's too much white in here, I think. Now I'm gonna start the real mix. Yeah. Look it. The things are kind of like poking me a little bit.
It is super fluffy now, isn't it?
You made it too much fluffy there.
Once you mix it up more, it will get better.
At least there's no sticky hand, right? Worst part. Worst part. I feel the rubber band.
It came out. Oh, that's funny.
I feel like there's hair in here, but it's just the rubber bands. When you squish it, you feel the rubber bands. Look at that. Can't even see the
If you keep mixing it,
what? What will happen if I keep on mixing? Help me.
the white will probably disappear a little bit more.
Disappear. Oh, look at what I found.
All those beads.
They're not the beads. They're the jewels.
Oh, cool.
See?
Yeah.
Oh, and that one has a little rubber band on it. Then it has to get destroyed. Okay, it's getting off. It's more white now. So at least it's more fluffier than my next video when I made my other fluffy slime. If you haven't checked that out, go check that out right now. Because it was really fluffy and cool, but this one's even fluffier. So fluffy! Imagine Hello Neighbor was fluffy. He was like a hidden dog who knows how to stand up. He was like fluffy dog with fluffy hair with the costume. That would have been so funny. And then his costume came off. Fluffy dog! He wasn't that scary then. That would have been really funny. Game. Hello Neighbor was a dog. And then his costume falls off and then boom. But that would never happen, probably. Oh my god, there was one little shimmery on me. So I was only planning to put my jewels in it. It kind of got extra stuff though, so. And the fluffiness made it more better. Looks more cool now, but yeah, got more extra stuff. It looks better now than it was. And the glitter looks more like pink now. But when you shine it, it looks like orange. It's still in my hands. Really sticky. Yeah, it's all over my hands. It won't get off barely, so try to make a pizza mia. Do, 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 do.
Pause.
Oh, come on. What is this one? Oh, no.
A sticky hand.
Man, I knew it.
Unpause.
Well, now let's see how it feels. Okay, I don't feel it. Let's try to find it now. Where is it? Oh, wait, no. Where is it? You put it in and never find it ever again. Where is it?
It got swallowed.
Where is it?
It disappeared. Your slime ate it. Oh my gosh.
There's jewels now. Oh god, that one's stuck here. Oh god. Oh wait, I think I found it. Yeah, it's right here. It's so slippery. You can also take everything out. That would take like a month. At least I still got the sticky hand. It's not as sticky, it's more like a slobbery hand. I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me making my glitter slime pause challenge. Comment down below if you like how my slime turned out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe before leaving. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye! Thanks for hanging out with me making my glittery slime.